Craving something spicy, crispy, and full of flavor? Then you have to try this traditional Gujarati snacks, Fulwadi. It's made from gram flour, mixed with semolina, aromatic spices, and a touch of tanginess that make it irresistible. Check caption for full recipe. Save the recipe and try it at home. Trust me, once you make it, you will never stop snacking. If you don't have the Fulwadi jara, then just knead the dough, roll it into a thin log, cut and fry until golden and crunchy. The aroma will instantly fill your kitchen. Pair with a hot cup of chai and you have got the perfect daytime snacks. Crispy outside, spicy inside. Fulwadi is the real festive bite you will keep coming back.